Buying a flipped house sounds like a great idea. Someone's already done all of the work for you. But unfortunately, not every flip job is actually as good as it seems in the listing photos online or in a quick walkthrough. Sometimes those beautiful finishes are hiding hidden problems. So we're here today helping one new homeowner transform her backyard deck into her backyard oasis. So what are you looking for in a new deck?
Well, with the new house, I really wanted to expand the size of the deck and make it a lot larger so that I have more outdoor space. I really wanted to capitalize on the sunsets that hit at night, which are beautiful. I wanted a natural look with a modern vibe to match the rest of the house as well.
I think we can do that, and I think you're going to need some more furniture if you want a larger deck too to fill it up.
Perfect. That sounds good to me.
For parties?
Absolutely.
For hanging out?
Yes.
Enjoying the sunset?
That's my vibe.
With a glass of wine?
You know it.
And your dog Speckles?
Yes, of course. The king.
I think we can do that.
Perfect. Can't wait.
Now that we finished the decking, it's time to put the cable railing system in, and we're starting with the corner because that controls the layout. I'm marrying the bolts and the washers so they are ready to put in and they're easy to grab, but there's a right side up for them. And the reason why is because there's a little cap that clips onto the top of them. Nice finished look.
End and corner posts get stiffeners. My cable railing system came with them installed. If they're not installed, this is a good time to put them in. You can measure and mark every post location if you want to, but rather than introduce the potential for error or some imperfection in the decking, string is always straight, so we pull string between our two corner posts, and that's our line.
Now that we've installed all of the posts, we're ready to put in the railing. And we've chosen this cable railing system to open up the view so that the homeowner can enjoy the beautiful sunsets from our backyard deck. This cable railing system is a sophisticated look, but it's also really DIY friendly. It's easy to install. So we're loose fitting them right now.
That's okay. I don't need to be in stuff.
The cable railing system has two different ends. One is a flat end that threads on the end of the cable railing. The other end has a little raised center to it, and that goes on the other side of the cable railing.
Top cap, part 1. So you're 2 inches over down there. Let me get that set. Snap fit. We just pre-tensioned the cable. Now we're going to final tension it. What we're looking for is a 1/4 inch of deflection when we give it a pluck. Teresa's going to turn this through lock fitting clockwise, and it's going to draw together inside the post and give us the exact tension we need. That looks good to me, a little more maybe. And what this is doing, as part of the Rail Effects Installers Kit, is it's keeping the cable from twisting. So we're going to follow the same sequence. What was it from before? Up, down, or down, up, down, up? I don't remember. We just did middle up, now we'll do middle down.
Middle down.
So what's going on here, and maybe this is TMI, but I'm going to give it anyway. Better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. And what that is I want to freeze this joint before I do anything else for installation, so I can keep this as closed and as tight as possible. The secret to that, and also to resist the wood's tendency to want to cup, is 2 4-inch trim drive screws in each lap of this joint. Now we'll fasten it from underneath. Oh, wow! Holy Toledo! Oh, this is perfect. All right, cushions